How to temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account without deleting it. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will learn how we can temporarily deactivate WhatsApp account without having to delete it. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. But before we start, we have to understand that WhatsApp does not have a built-in temporarily deactivate feature in order to deactivate your account, like some other applications such as Facebook or Instagram. So in that case, we have to follow some other few workarounds you can use to make your account inactive without having to delete it. So the first option or the first method is to disable your notifications. This will not deactivate your account, but it will silence all of the activity related to WhatsApp. So for that, what you have to do is open up settings in your device, head towards apps, tap on see all apps, use the search icon at the top right, and here you have to search for WhatsApp. Once you land on app info page, here tap on notifications and you can turn off all of the notifications related to WhatsApp. After that, you can go back and tap on mobile data and Wi-Fi, and from here you can disable background data as well. After that, you can head back. So this will simply disable all of your notifications and your background data, but will not deactivate your account. The second method is to uninstall the WhatsApp. Your account will not be deleted or you will not receive any messages while uninstalled, but they will be delivered once you reinstalled. So it is one of the useful method for taking a break from WhatsApp without data loss or deleting your account. So from here, you can simply uninstall the application, and whenever you need it in the future, you can install it from the Play Store. So in this way, you can temporarily deactivate your WhatsApp account without deleting it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.